What's up, YouTube? This is Larry. I've been a full-time reseller since 1997 on eBay. We sell a variety of things. We sell autographs, we sell games, we sell snapback hats, vintage t-shirts, a little bit of everything. Whatever we can find that we can make a buck on, we buy. And what we do is we show you exactly what we sell stuff for. That way there's no guessing, there's no me pulling your leg or anything like that. You can actually see what stuff sells for, how much I pay for it. So let's see what we sold. Shaw and Hobbs DVD. I don't remember seeing it. I wonder if I put it under Fast and Furious, maybe. There it is. It's Hobbs and Shaw. There we go. It was still sealed. We paid $1 for this at a pawn shop, and we sold it for $9.49. Sold on one called The Longest Week, H-I-J. There it is, Longest Week. It was still sealed, and we paid $1 for this at the Dollar Tree. We sold it for $8.99. Train to Busan. Told you we just bought this at Big Lots for $3. We sold it for $14.99. Transformers 4K. Bought this. It's new and sealed. Bought it at a pawn shop. We paid $2 for it. We sold it for $14.99. Clint Eastwood. It was a Clint Eastwood triple pack. Both these the same. Both of these are the same. This was brand new. We bought it at the pawn shop for $1. We sold it for $10.99. Sold Payback. That was an old Mel Gibson movie. I think that's what it's called, Payback, right? Huh. Let me see. It was Ransom. I saw Ransom here. That's why I had to look. Because I was like, well, maybe it was Ransom. This was new. Still sealed. We bought it at a pawn shop for $1. And we sold it for $9.99. Let's see. We sold a Miley Cyrus. Time of Our Lives. Still sealed. We bought this for 50 cents at Peddler's Junction, and we sold it for $8.99. We sold a Batman. Is this it? I think it was this one, Shadows of Gotham. Yep. Should be part 1, season 1, part 1. Yep. We bought these at the Dollar Tree for $1, and we sold them for $7.99. I can't remember if I put this in here or not. Let's check over here real quick. This is a karaoke CD. Sometimes I put obscure stuff over here. But these are more like games and stuff, though. I just thought it would be easier to check here first than having to look through all those CDs. It. There we go, Jim Croce. It was a brand new sealed Sound Choice. Sound Choice is like the Rolls Royce of karaoke CDs. I was a karaoke host for 18 years. Sound Choice is the best ever. And these things are like $35, $40 when they were new. I'm surprised this one only went for, let's see what did we sell it for, $13.99. We only paid $1 for it, so we don't mind. But they are really good stuff. Oh, we sold a Blu-ray. I was trying to read my writing. Sometimes I'll write so fast I can't tell what I wrote. We got this Battlestar Galactica. We bought this at the pawn shop for $2, and we sold it for $9.99. So we didn't make a whole lot of money on that one. We sold a hat, and what I like to do is I kind of like to look around and survey the area and see where this hat might be. This hat's right there, so we know to grab that one. I love it when the hats are a little bit funky, because then you can find it real easy. I didn't have to dig through a couple hundred hats. We bought this hat. I can't remember if this is new or not. I don't know. But we picked this up at a thrift store for $2.99. And I remember these pants that were all funky like this always went pretty high on eBay. So I listed this one pretty high. I ended up selling it for like $29.99. So that was good profit. I take that back. We sold that hat for $39.99. That was real good profit. Sold a DVD called House on Haunted Hill. I think it's one we haven't even put away yet. Some of these we couldn't squeeze in. We had to move some more drawers around. And we sold this one. We bought this at the pawn shop for $1. It was still sealed. And it was $9.99 we sold it for. Basically, when I find new DVDs at pawn shops, unless it's like something really current, like, you know, like something I know that's in the Walmart $5 bin and it's not worth it, I usually don't even look it up. And I just grab it. And like I said, they usually sell for, you know, $8 and up. You know, if it's not something that's already in the Walmart bin and $5 bin. Anything in the Walmart $5 bin is worthless. You can't really sell it. Everybody has it. We sold a La Bamba tape. La 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 Bamba. Oh, I just got a copyright. Copy strike. There we go. We sold La Bamba. Took a best off for $5.99. I didn't figure anybody'd want it, so we went ahead and sold it for $5.99. So we're gonna make $1. We paid $0.25 for it, so we'll make a few more bucks than that. We sold a couple long sleeve shirts. This was in the haul that we bought that was a bunch of vintage shirts. These are brand new from like the 80s. Thought those were cool. But let's see if I can find these long sleeve shirts here that we sold. I think I have a couple of these to look through, so might not be in this one. I said I very rarely buy any shirts anymore, unless it's something really cool. I believe this is one of them we sold. This was a Tommy Hilfiger stripe. We sold this for $22.99. We paid $2.99 for it. And I don't see the other one. The other one must be in my other thing. So we almost passed it up. It was in here. But it was this Polo Ralph Lauren flannel shirt. And we bought this for $2.99, and we sold it for $29.99. Cool. I like these Polo flannel shirts. And we sold another one of those Train to Busan. That's crazy. Paid $3 at Big Lots, and we sold it for $14.99. We sold a Sioux Falls movie. This one was actually kind of expensive. had a Blue Diamond Phillips in it. There it is, Sioux City actually. We bought this at the pawn shop for $1. It's used, and we sold it for $29.99. All right, guys, that's everything we sold this weekend. Hopefully you had a good weekend. I mean, we sold 17 or 18 items. It wasn't too bad. I mean, most of that stuff we only had like $1 in, so we did pretty good. But hopefully you did well. It makes me proud to know that you guys are watching this. And like I said, hopefully I helped some of you. If not, I hope at least you gather something from the information. But thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Please like, please subscribe, please hit all, and we'll see you next time. Peace.